Today I'm going to be showing you how to fit a perfect fit shutter just like this one behind me. All you need is a credit card and some brackets. All you're going to do is get your card, put it on the window like that, and then take this end of the bracket and slide it in between the window beading. Then repeat this process on the other 3 corners. If your window's got a split like this one, you might want to take an extra 2 brackets and clip them into the side just to make sure it's secure. So the way that you do that is grab your perfect fit shutter, prop it against the window, and line up the hole with a spot on your window. So the hole in the shutter's there, so we want to be putting our next bracket here. It's the same process again, just slip the brackets in between the beading. Once all the brackets are clipped on, it's time to put on your perfect fit shutter. The best way to do this is to line up the holes with the brackets on the side first and then clip the other brackets into place. Once your shutters are clipped on, use the rods at the side to control them. Because there's a split in the middle, they can also be operated separately. And that's it.